Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Okay, I am with you today with the Forex analysis and what happened during 1 week. All right, if you can see that I'm on DXY item, it shows the dollar index, and you can see we had something like rising wedge in time frame 4 hour, and finally you can see that the price had correction at the price of 105, and it has made a kind of resistance for now and for the moment of speaking. At the same time, we can see another support from here to here. So we should wait for Monday and Tuesday to see that the correction is going to end or not. So if we have reaction from this point, so we could have some movement during between these two lines, and we might see that it is rising again. But according to classic theories, they say a rising wedge like this has breakout from the bottom. Okay, this is just classic theories, guys. Okay, we cannot trust it completely. You should just wait to see if there is breakout of this zone. So I guess we might have trading range for too many days. Okay, and after that we should see the dollar is getting weaker or stronger. So at the same time, these zones are for you. You can update your chart like me. Let's go to next item, which is euro. For euro dollar, on Friday, the last day of the week, we had reaction to this zone, which was 1.35, 1.035. But we should see, and we should just consider that we are in a downtrend channel, and we guess that if we want to have any uptrend, so we should have a breakout of this zone. It means 1.05 or 06. Then we can see the price is going higher. But up to the moment we are in this channel, the price is just moving downward. Okay, we can go to another one, Great British Pound, GBP. For GBP, as you can see, we are still in a downtrend. And let me update my channel. It was for some days ago. GBP has a better situation than euro dollar, but everything depends on 2 days beginning of next week, and we should see. According to classic theories, something like this wedge has a breakout from the top side, okay, side top. Then we can have the rest of the trend, and the first target it has is 1.24, then 1.26, and we should wait to see. But if it wants to continue like this, I should tell you that if we have breakout from the bottom side, something terrible happens to pound, and we might see lower targets. But I won't think that it happens or it will happen on Monday. That's why I don't want to update my analysis more than this, and just this is enough for you. And I guess we might have some reaction here, pull back to this zone if we want to break out of the dynamic trend. It would be from this area. If not, so the trend is going to continue, or maybe the breakout happens from the bottom side. All right, and about USDJPY. Okay, due to the reason that dollar got weaker, this trend, you can see this channel stopped. Okay, and we are not in a down in an uptrend anymore. Okay, what I think is going to be some days trading range between this zone. Let me update my chart for you. This zone 130 to 131, and this zone something between 127, yeah, 128. Now we should see trading range between these two lines, and we should wait for the breakout. The breakout, if happens, from the top, okay, we might see the higher prices, but if from bottom, so the next zone we have is 124, as I have drawn for you. But please wait for other days of the week, but you should see that we are not in the channel anymore, okay, and we had a breakout. Okay, and we could go to Canadian dollar. For CAD, USD CAD or CAD USD, I told you that we are in a part. I'm waiting for my chart. Yeah. We had a breakout of this important zone, which was very important, from past up to now. It means, for example, from 2021 up to now, the USD CAD was moving between these two areas. And now it was supported. It was supported here, and it has made, another support for us, this area. And if it wants to, be bullish again, it should have a breakout of this zone, pullback, and the next target would be here, if I'm not mistaken. And if not, you can consider this as a breakout and pullback, and rest of the trend would be toward this zone again, and this one, as I have shown and determined for you before. And about the next item, USD AUD or Australian dollar. Okay, for USD AUD, you can see what happened. Okay, we were close to this zone, as I have told you before, that this zone acts as a resistance, and now we have a correction, and I guess the correction would be up to this zone again, and we might have trading range for some days to see Australian dollar is getting stronger, or US dollar. At the same time, you can have this trend line for this, and I guess we might see another, this zone can act as a demand zone again, and we might have bullish trend after this, important zone. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and have a great weekend.